911.
Hi, this is Lisa McCory from Spokane Approach Control. Want to report an aircraft accident 10 miles north of Odessa Airport. Roger that.
Okay.
It looks like it's Lincoln Joe.
Got it, Pete. Michael, what type of aircraft?
I got Spokane Approach. I need to talk to this one.
I'm sorry, say again, ma'am?
The type of aircraft, please?
I do not know the type of aircraft. It's military.
It's a military aircraft?
Correct.
Okay. Contact phone number for you?
509-742-2529.
10 miles north of the Odessa Airport.
Correct.
Okay. And do we know how many people are on the plane?
I do not.
Okay.
I don't have any additional information. I'm sorry. I will get you more information
as soon as... Can I give you a direct line?
Yes, you can.
It's 725-3501. And your
area code 509?
Yeah. Your Spokane Approach, you said?
That is correct.
Okay. And your name?
Lisa McCory.
McCory. Okay. Thank you.
I'll call you back with any additional info.
Thank you, please.
Thank you. Bye-bye.